Some of the essential tools in SketchUp are the Orbit, the Pen, and the Select tool. In this lesson, you will learn how to use these. Let's have a look at the Select tool. You can find the Select tool by clicking spacebar on your keyboard or select it from the bar on the left. The Select tool is used to select entities in your models, such as lines, surfaces, and grouped objects. I'll explain more about groups and even components later on this course, when we start with 3D modeling. So for now, you can click on the entity you want to select, or you can also create an invisible box that's going to select whatever is inside that box by holding your mouse key and just hovering over whatever you want to select. The Orbit tool. The Orbit tool allows you to change the view of your model by rotating it in 3D space. To use this tool, you can press the O on your keyboard, or you find it also on the left side on your toolbar. To use this tool, you have to click and hold the left mouse button and then rotate around. Next up is the Pen tool. The Pen tool allows you to move your view of the model without changing the orientation. So select the Pen tool from the toolbar or press H for hand, basically, on your keyboard. You click and hold the left mouse button and move your mouse in the desired direction. Now what I like to do is, when I use the Orbit mode, or I am in the Orbit mode, I like to switch between Orbit and Pen. And instead of clicking O and H and again O, I just stay in the O, the Orbit mode, and I use the Shift button that temporarily is going to activate the Pen tool. So by that, it's just going to make it easier to move around. So please go ahead and try these tools to get a better feeling to how to use them. And see you in the next lesson.